buddy of mine and I just met here. Jerry and I were fast friends, and he and I really were kind of, as chiropractors, we're on this side of the fence of like, if patients can't afford or the money or the scheduling, we kind of want to meet them where they are, and we're kind of in that mode of compassionate sort of, not really pricing, but just kind of scheduling and just kind of making it work for people, and really understanding that like an hour a week on the pulse therapy may not make all your dreams come true, and maybe doing an hour and a half or daily or 3 times a week is really where it's at. And kind of that chiropractic model, it has to get challenged in my life. I've been doing this 18 years, so it's it's definitely I got some homework to do, but also and that's probably the most stimulating piece of it, is like, okay, I see the bar's been raised a bit again here for me, because and that feels good. I think what I'm guessing Paul is kind of dealing with is like there's no limit to this yet. Like, we don't know what the ceiling is on this, and that's exciting. There's a from the development of the products, he kind of gave me some other ideas that he's working on, but also like that sort of in some senses, like my creativity is going wild with how to apply this in a way too. So the rote sort of scripts and all that is really pretty cool, because that's not something I'm really using enough of, I think, and getting kind of those nailed down, but also the kind of wide open creative back end of this, and kind of where that might go in a year or 5 years or even next month,